Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to root the Moto G4, this device here. So this should also work with the Moto G4 Plus as well. So first of all, I'm just going to show you that this device is not rooted. There's no super user application. And I'm also going to use root checker. Verify root status. Sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. So that means the device is not rooted. It's completely stuck. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can root it real quick. Okay, so first things first, I recommend backing up all your important files, phone numbers and stuff like that, just in case it does wipe the device clean. Because it's the first time I'm going to be rooting it, so I'm not sure if it wipes the device. It shouldn't, but just to be on the safe side, just make sure you back up phone numbers, videos, pictures, anything you find important on your device, just in case it wipes it clean. But anyway, first things first, head on over to the link in the description down below, and it's going to take you to this XDA page. And here you're going to download minimal ADB and fastboot. You're also going to download the Motorola drivers. That's a small file. It only takes a few seconds to install. And you're going to, so just remember, first you're going to download minimal ADB and fastboot. Then you're going to download the Motorola drivers. You're going to download TWRP custom recovery, and you're going to download the beta super user zip file. So you're going to download all of these. Okay, so I've downloaded the Motorola drivers and I've installed them already. I've downloaded TWRP recovery and saved it to my desktop. I've also downloaded the beta super user zip and saved it to my desktop. And I've downloaded minimal ADB and fastboot. It's on my desktop right now. So we're just gonna go to my desktop, and there's minimal ADB. So I'm just gonna set that up real quick. So just click on it, hit yes, hit next again, and it's gonna save to the C drive. So hit next again, and next again, and install. Then hit finish. Okay, so let's just go and see where minimal ADB is. Like I said, it should be on the C drive. And it should be in program files x86, and there it is, minimal ADB and fastboot, and it's got all those little files in there, so you can go ahead and close that down. Okay, next thing you need to do is on your phone, just go into settings and scroll down to about phone, and where it says build number, just keep tapping on it until it says you are now a developer. Then hit back, and you should see these developer options. Click on it and just make sure it's switched on at the top there. Make sure OEM unlocking switched on. Okay, so we've set up minimal ADB, so we can delete that now, that little shortcut. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is the TWRP file, what you downloaded and saved to your desktop. You want to put it in the minimal ADB folder. So go back to where it's located on the C drive. program files 86, minimal ADB and fastboot, and you're just going to drag that TWRP file into there, select continue. Okay, you can keep this box open. Next thing you need to do is connect your phone to the USB cable. Hold on, let me just plug that in. So connect your phone to the USB cable. Okay, hold on guys, this USB cable's giving problems, I'm gonna have to get another one. Okay, back again, sorry about that guys, the USB cable was bad, so I've had to use another one. So yeah, just plug in your USB cable to your phone. And when prompted, you might have to select file transfers. Okay, so now just open up your internal storage, or if you've got an SD card, you can put the SuperSU beta zip file onto your internal storage or your SD card. I'm going to put it on my internal storage because I've not got an SD card installed at the moment. And then you can just go ahead and close that down. Okay, so now just power off the device. And yeah, once it's powered off, you're just going to put it into fastboot mode. So press the volume down button, volume down, and the power button both at the same time. Keep them held down until the device goes into fastboot mode. Okay, so it should say start there at the top, and it should say fastboot flash mode. If it doesn't say start at the top, just use the volume down button until you see where it says start, until you can see where it says start. Okay, now what you need to do is find a blank space here in the minimal ADB fastboot folder, and you're going to press shift on your keyboard, and you're going to right click on your mouse at the same time. So shift and right click on your mouse in a blank space. So I'm going to put the camera down real quick and just do that. Okay, so once you've pressed shift and you've right clicked on your mouse in the blank space, you should see this little box here what says open command window here. You're just going to select it, and it's going to bring up this black box. Okay, so now you're just going to connect your phone to the USB cable once again. Like this. Okay, so now you're going to run this command. I'll leave the command in the description down below. Just copy the command. And you're going to paste it into this little black window here. And then hit enter on your keyboard. And you're just going to wait for it to say OK, finished. Only takes a few seconds. And then unplug your phone, and then press volume up. In fact, press volume down, sorry. Press it again until it says recovery mode. Don't know if you can see that. But just press it until it says recovery mode, there it is, and then press the power button. And then the device should boot into Team recovery. Okay, so now just swipe across to allow modifications. Then go ahead and hit install. And then scroll down to where it says, in fact, hold on, press back. Before you do that, select advanced. And select terminal. Okay, so I almost forgot, you need to type in ECHO, which is echo, and then space, and then you need to type in capitals S hold on. Okay, so you need to type in echo space and then in capitals system less and then equals and then in lowercase letters true and then an arrow, if I can find the arrow. So you need to type in echo space systemless in capitals and equals, and in lowercase letters true. So it should be looking like this, and then a little arrow just like that. And then backslash, data, backslash again, dot, SuperSU. Okay, so it should be looking just like this. So it's echo space in capitals systemless equals in lowercase letters true, then a little arrow, backslash, data, backslash, dot, SuperSU, and then press that little tick there. Now press back. Press back again and go to install. And then choose the Beta Super user zip file and then swipe to confirm flash. The Echo Systemless thing, I'll put that in the comment section down below. I'll write it out for you guys. Okay, so once it's complete, once it says done, just hit reboot system. Okay, so now we're just going to check to see that we've got root access. So let's see if we can see the SuperSU application. There it is, SuperSU. And also go to the Play Store and just type in root checker. And download it. It's called root checker. Open it up and select verify root. Hit grant. And it should then say congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. So yeah guys, this was just my tutorial video showing you how to root the Moto G4. This should also work with the G4 Plus as well. If you liked the video and it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you get stuck with anything, let me know in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Oh, before I go, one last thing. If you want to unroot later on and you want to put the stock firmware back onto your Moto G, I'll leave a link to my tutorial in the description down below showing you how to unroot and how to flash the stock firmware back onto your Moto G4. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm out. Deuces.